Good morning, evening, afternoon, bros. It's me, Rafael Jaranes Jr. from 7 Babbage, Taguig Science High School, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a grading sheet in MS Excel. Let's get started. First, gonna make is the average. The formula for average is equal sign average, then open parentheses. So you please, I'll just copy this because it's so hard. Then the address of the cells, then close parentheses. Then there you go, the average. Then paste, copy the address, then enter. Then continue doing it until you finish to the last subject or anything what you want. Wage, close. Okay. Enter. Average. Close parenthesis. Enter. Then we're almost finished. Okay, we're finished. But in the remarks, we're gonna make another formula, which is kind of hard, but you can do it with this formula. Equal sign, then IF, open parentheses, the address of the cell, then greater than sign, 85. I used 85 because in Taguig Science High School, 85 is the passing grade for major subjects. Then comma, then pass, comma, failed, close parenthesis. I'll just copy this to make our work a lot of easier. Okay, wrong grammar, sorry. Equal sign, IF, open parentheses, click the address of the cell, then paste, then press OK or enter. Then continue doing it until you finish till the computer information on computer technology or ICT. Then IF, IF, open parentheses, address of the cell, then paste, then continue, then IF, IF, open parentheses, the address of the cell, then paste, and for the last time, equal sign, IF, open parentheses, address of the cell, then paste. Then, sorry if you can hear something strange here, because it's kind of nice here. Then, here, continue the continue it, IF, open parentheses, then address of the cell, greater than. Now it's 83, because it's not a major subject, it's just a minor subject. Sorry. Then 83, comma, past, then failed, then another close parenthesis, then it's passed. I'll just copy here to make our work a lot easier. Equal sign, IF, open parentheses, address of the cell, paste. Okay. IF, open parentheses, address, paste. Okay. And for the second to the last time, then IF, open parentheses, address of the cell, then paste. And for the last time, equal sign, IF, address of the cell, then paste. To make it uniform, I'll make it like this. Yeah. And there you go. You made a reading sheet for your students. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Again, it's Rafael G. Aranes Jr. from 7 Babbage. I'm happy to serve you. And you're gonna save it. Yeah. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, bros.